So I'm not whipping up any pasta for you today.
Okay, good. I like what I'm seeing.
You like what you're seeing.
Yeah.
You like what you're seeing. It's dessert time, and it's brought to you by the folks at Regal, and we're going to be pulling together what Merle and I decided to call Nutty Quinoa Bites.
Oh, you see, you're learning from me. Portion control.
I was going to
Portion control.
give you a high five there. I remember COVID protocol.
I know, it goes like this.
So guys, it's starting. This is really simple to do, but so lovely, so nice. As I said, this really has been inspired. The menu today has been inspired by Paola Henderson, health coach, that we're pampering. So this is some nuts. This is some almonds and some pecans that we have in here. We roasted them again, Paola, and I'm back with my food processor. My food processor is my best friend today. Roasted the nuts, very important. It gives that extra little flavor. It brings all the oils, the nuttiness, and that kind of thing. So I roasted it in the oven, and I'm adding it straight into my food processor. This is the first phase of this, and very important. You want to kind of get the nuts grinded. The nuts will take more grinding and more processing than the rest of the ingredients. So I don't want to get it too powdery, but I want it ground. So I think that's just about good. And now, Paola, I pulled together all the other ingredients. I boiled this Regal Quinoa. So Regal Quinoa, I'm now swearing by it. I've been trying, since Paola brought quinoa into my life, I've been trying different types of quinoa. The Regal Quinoa, to be very honest, comes together so easily. Just cover with water, you bring to a boil, and simmer, and when you see the little tails come out, it fluffs up nicely, it doubles in size, and it's good.
It's also very quick to boil. It's one of the fastest cooking greens.
It is. And as I said, imagine I'm using this in a dessert.
Yes.
We've done a curry chicken quinoa on the show.
Yes.
And now I'm mixing it in a dessert. It's so versatile. It's such a versatile grain that you can use it.
Yes. All I see now is lots of protein in there, which is a good sign.
You're a happy girl.
Yes, quinoa is loaded with protein, so that's great. And then the nuts.
And you're a happy
perfect.
Girl.
And then peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
More
so I know
protein.
more protein, but I know you've done your nut butters.
Yes.
So I mean, you can replace your fancy nut butters with it, but peanut butter is how good or bad is peanut butter?
No, I mean, you just roast the nuts and then you add it to the processor and then let it just grind. Maybe add a little bit of coconut oil and maybe a little salt, and you just make your own nut butter.
Your own nut butter, it's so simple. She's done that on the show already, I'm sure, over the years. Guys, so I am also now just adding some fruit. I have some cranberries, also Regal cranberries. Guys, Regal, as I said, a wide range of products, and Regal raisins. So these are just going to add in here for that nice little texture that we're looking for. And I have some chocolate chips that I'm adding. So this is, as I said, chocolatey, peanut buttery.
And those looks like semi-sweet chocolate chips, right?
It is. Marilla thought of you with all the ingredients.
Yes,
she thought of you. She really did think of you with everything that she was doing here today. So, Paola, that's it, and you just start to pulse this together now. So you process it until nice and smooth. But what you're also looking for, as you know very well, Paola, is for it to kind of come together in your hands like this. When you see this happens, and it comes together. And Paola, all I am doing is doing exactly this. I'm rolling it into nice balls. I think I remember one time you came on the show and you would have flattened this out. You could probably just flatten it out, put it in the fridge, and it's just like this. This is no bake. Simple. I have a spoon that I could just measure to get some equal balls, and no bake. It rolls out simply like this, forms these balls so simply, so easily. And if you recognize what I'm doing is that I'm trying to get some lovely coconut flakes that I will just roll into it, and you kind of get these lovely balls. Yeah, I have for Paola that while I am rolling out the rest, she's been served here. Finger food, Paola.
Very good.
Nutty quinoa chocolatey bites.
Yes. A good little tip. Can I give you a good little tip?
You must.
Yeah. So in order to get the coconut flakes on it, you can just maybe rub it with a little bit of water. And then roll it. So it just gets wet. And then so the coconut shavings will just stick on.
Lovely.
But I love this. This is portion control. It's not like an actual cake. Perfect.
Can I have one with you?
Of course.
Cheers.
Cheers. So good.
And this is healthy.
And no added sugar.
No sugar, all natural ingredients. Thanking the folks at Regal for making it possible, guys. Check out their wide range of products. Paola Henderson,
Well done.
thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Give Nina a kiss for me. And your big man, Tommy.
I will.
Yeah. We have celebrated Mother's May for the entire month of May, guys. And Paola Henderson said we saved the best for last. She's been family here on this show. She's been part of our family into the couple joke growing and developing over the years. She's contributed so much. We just wanted to pamper her today, and she hope she enjoyed.
Oh my God, this is my day.